Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the fourth episode of Belgaum Food series. He was on a gap and I had not shot any videos. तो अभी मैं recently मेरी Instagram page को activate की and as soon as I did, I received a collaboration from a very popular place in Belgaum, that is Sharma Sweets. So we'll go try out that place today and I'll share you the reviews about that place. मेरे साथ मेरी भाभी भी है. Hi बोलो.
Hi guys.
तो she wanted to try dhabeli from that, from Belgaum. She's not from here basically. A fun fact is that dhabeli was firstly introduced in Belgaum by Sharma Sweets itself. तो authenticity तो maintained रहेगा. तो let's go and check out. They also have introduced new dishes called as genie dosa, soya stick chats, which I have not heard of in Belgaum कहीं और place पे. तो try करते हैं और मैं बताती हूँ कैसे रहेंगे. मेरी बहन भी है मेरे साथ. निन्गेंडे खेड़ा. What do you want to try out? हाँ? नाइन कोडुस्तनाथ. Okay. चलो guys, let's go then.
Sharma was inaugurated in 1962 and is located in Bogarves. I visited this place in the noon to avoid crowd while shooting, but still you can see it's mostly busy. They serve one of the best kunda in town along with other signature dishes like genie roll dosa, 3 types of dhabelis, butter and mayo pav bhaji, basket chat, soya stick chat and many more, all of which was presented hot and fresh to us.
कुंदा 10 मिनट जम.
तो गाइस इतना सब कुछ हमको टेस्ट करने के लिए दिया गया एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी वेरी टेस्टी. मैं सब टेस्ट करके खा चुकी हूँ. मेरा सबसे फेवरेट तो ये चीनी रोल डोसा रहा. तो इफ़ यू आर कमिंग देन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस आउट. तो भाभी को दाबेली खाना था. शी इज इटिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. तो खा के बताएंगे कि कैसा है. ना हाँ मेरा भी फेवरेट है. बेळगाव में 10 प्लेस का इट इज मोस्ट फेवरेट. सो व्हाट यू वांट तीन दिन के लेना है. क्या खाना है? ये खाना है. खा के ओके गाइस विल एंजॉय दिस. तब तक के लिए मैं फास्ट फूड देख लो आप लोग. देन वी विल गेट बैक. सोया स्टिक भेल कुछ नाम का नया डिश है यहाँ पे. तो वो भी हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा. टेस्ट तो भेल जैसा ही रहता है बट टेक्सचर ऑफ सोया स्टिक मेक्स इट वेरी स्पेशल. तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट आउट नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल बी हियर. दिस इज अ न्यू एडिशन एंड दे आर मेनी.
In addition to great taste and variety, they take exceptional care of hygiene by wrapping all the trees with cover. In the end, we tried their unique bubblegum and vanilla softie as well.
She didn't like the bubblegum flavor. This is the bubblegum and vanilla mix. The one which Bhabhi is having is completely vanilla. तो मुझे तो ये पसंद आया the bubblegum flavor with. Yeah, guys. So we are done eating and we had ordered a lot of stuff. My personal favorite was Genie Roll Dosa. Bhabhi liked the soya stick bhel and dhabeli. तो सब कुछ अच्छा था honestly. You can try this out. It's a family place. It's a friendly place. So you can come with anybody and then try this place out. I also ordered a kunda box from here. This is 250 grams and it cost me around 95 rupees. What is special about this kunda box is that you can order this box anywhere across India. So they are going to deliver it pan India. The link for this will be in the description. Check that out as well. And special part is you can store this kunda for like 8 days straight without any problem. I hope you liked this video. I'll come up with more videos in future. Please subscribe to the channel and let's meet again. Thank you.